This is Cash for Gold CP in Canoga Park, where you can get cash for gold and silver and jewelry you no longer want.
We pay market value and top prices. We buy scrap gold, used jewelry.
They also sell jewelry, including diamond engagement rings and wedding sets. The family owners are GIA graduates, and they know quality. There are necklaces with gold and diamonds and precious stones, and diamond solitaire earrings. You'll also find antique jewelry at Cash for Gold CP in Canoga Park.
Earrings, necklaces, rings, all types of antiques.
There are experienced jewelers here, open 7 days a week. They can make repairs and handle special orders.
We do custom jewelry and all types of jewelry.
Cash for Gold CP, 20853 Sherman Way, Canoga Park, 818-298-1759. CashforGoldCP.com.